Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make designs for your stream.
You know who made it.
So you can search up Twitch, and there's emotes or overlays, and look at emotes. So you can go in here, and you can copy all of these or like add your own. And these are pretty cool.
You know who made it.
And you can also search up Twitch overlay, and you got all of these nice overlays. So yeah, and when you're doing an overlay, you want to download it, but you don't want to do transparent background. But as you can see here, that it shows a crown. That means you need the paid version, Canva Pro. But you can get the 30-day free trial. That's what I have right now. So yeah. That's really all for today.